This is 10-5 Practice Buddy Drake. A box of granola bars measures 22 centimeters long by 5 centimeters wide by 15 centimeters high. A box of fruit bars measures 24 centimeters long by 3 centimeters wide by 26 centimeters high. Which box is the greater volume and how much greater? All right, so we have to find the volume of the granola box and the fruit box. So the granola is 22 by 5 by 15. So I'm going to do that one first. 22 times 15. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. Placeholder, 1 times 2, 1 times 2. Add, 0, 3, 3. I'm going to take my 330 times the number that I have not used, which is the 5. 5 times 0, 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1. So this one is the granola, and it is 1650 centimeters cubed. Now I have to do the fruit box. The fruit box is 24 by 3 by 26. So I'm going to do the 26 times 23. Make sure I got, I'm sorry, 24. 6 times 4, 24. Regroup my 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Placeholder. 2 times 6 is 12. Regroup my 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Add. 4 and nothing is 4. 2 and nothing, 5 and 1. So I have 624, and I'm going to take that times my other number, which is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Regroup my 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 3 times 6 is 18. So this one is 1,872 centimeters cubed, which is bigger. So we have to find the difference of 1,872 and 1650. 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2 centimeters cubed. So again, the fruit box was bigger. So I'm going to click the fruit box. And it is 222 cubic centimeters bigger than the granola box. Number 2. Leo has a lockbox with a volume of 312 cubic inches. The box is 4 inches high and 13 inches long. What's the width? Volume equals length times width times height. The volume they gave us is 312. The height is 4, and the length is 13. They did not give us the width. So we're going to have to find the width. The first thing we have to do is see what 13 times 4 is, so we can clear that out. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So we have 52 times something equals 312. Well, how do we find the missing number in multiplication? We divide. 312 divided by 52. I believe it's 6 times. We'll check it. 52 times 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 5 is 30 plus 1. So we did get 6, which is our 312, left with 0. This is a measurement, how wide it is. So our answer is just 6 inches. Number 3. Tony's building a pool shed shaped like a rectangular prism. It will be 9 feet high and 7 feet long. How wide should it be if he wants it to be 378 cubic feet? Same as last time, kind of. So we have length times width times height equals volume. It said that the volume is 378. It says our 9 feet high. It says 7 feet long. We don't know the width again. 7 times 9 is 63 times something is going to equal 378. Again, to find the missing multiplication, we divide. And I believe this one is 6, 2. So we'll check it. 18. 6 times 6 is 36 plus 1 is 7. So yes, it is 6. So we're going to choose 378 equals 63 times the width, because that is what we had right here. And the answer is 6. Lorenzo's packing 2 gift boxes in a shipping carton. The rest of the space in the carton would be filled with packing pellets. What's the volume of the space that needs to be filled with packing pellets? Find our answer. So it says we have to find the volume of the gift boxes, the volume of the shipping carton, and then whatever the difference is going to be how many shipping pellets we have. So if we click on this picture, so our picture has the shipping box is 17 by 12 by 13. So we need to find that one first. I'm going to do 13 times 12. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. Placeholder. 1 times 3. 1 times 1. Add. 6, 5, 1. Then I'm going to take my 156 times 17. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 4 is 39. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 3 is 10. Placeholder, 1 times 6, 1 times 5, 1 times 1. Add 2, 9 and 6 is 15. 1, 0, and 5 is 6. And 1 and 1 is 2. So the shipping container is 2,652 inches cubed. Now we have to find the gifts. So length times width times height, I'm going to do 7 times 7, which is 49. Then I'm going to take that times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. Regroup. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So this box is 147 inches cubed. The other box, I'm going to do 8 times 7, which is 56. Then I have to take it times the 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 3 is 33. So this box is 336 inches cubed. Now we have to put the 2 boxes together, the 336 and the 147. So 336 plus 147. 7 and 6 is 13. Regroup my 1. 4 and 3 and 1 is 8. 3 and 1 is 4. So the total boxes is 483 inches cubed. So if we can fit into our shipping container 2,652, and our total boxes are 483, if we find the difference, this is going to be the pellets, what we have to fill the box with. 2 minus 3 can't do. Regroup. 12 minus 3 is 9. Regroup. 14 minus 8 is 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. And then we have a 2. Oops, sorry, inches cubed. So 2,169 inches cubed is going to be our pellets. The shipping carton was 2,652, and the total of the 2 gift boxes were 483. I got to delete this. 483. All right, Leslie built a sandcastle that is made of 2 rectangular prisms. If there's 2,500 cubic inches of sand in a bag of sand, how much sand was left after she built her sandcastle? Explain how you found the answer. So we have to find the volume of the sandcastle and see how much was left over. All right, so here's our sandcastle. Try to move that up some. All right, looks like we have a top and a bottom. I'm going to do the top first. Length times width times height. I'm going to do 7 times 8, which is 56. and I'm going to take that times the 4. 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2. So the top is 224 inches cubed. The bottom, we have 18 times 18. I'm going to do that over here. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 6 is 14. Placeholder, 1 times 8, 1 times 1, add 4, 12, 3. Then we're going to take our 324 times our last number, which is the 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16 inches cubed. So this one was 1,620. Now we have to put them together to find the total of the sandcastle. So we're going to do our 1620 plus our 224. 4, 4, 8, 1. Now, we had, it said 2,500 of sand, and we used this much. How much is left? All right, well, 2,500 minus 1,844. Regroup. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. Regroup. 14 minus 8 is 6 inches cubed. So I'm going to close my picture. The volume of the sandcastle was 1,844. And how much is left over? 656. All right, the solid is split on the dotted line. What's the volume of the two rectangular prisms? So we have a left side and a right side. The left is length times width times height. Length is left to right. Well, this whole thing is 20, but we're cutting off this piece. This piece from left to right is 4. So 4 plus what is 20? It's 16. So we have to do 16 times front to back times how tall. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 16. 6 times 0. 6 times 2. Placeholder. 1 times 0. 1 times 2. Add 0, 2, 3. So this box is 320. Right side. Left to right is 4. Front to back is 4. How tall? 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Times 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. These are our two boxes. Add them up to find the total. 320, 128, 844. Fill it in. The volume of the two rectangular prisms are 128, which they gave us, and 320. The total is 448. Let's check our answers. We did get 100% today. Good job.